Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Do you know that 92 million tons of textile waste is created annually by the fashion industry, and the average U.S. consumer throws away 81.5 pounds of clothes every year? This video is all about thrifting. I've come to love thrifting over the last few years, and while it still does have a negative connotation in some circles, it's really largely becoming mainstream. With the amount of YouTube videos and TikTok videos and things that are showing people how to reuse and upcycle clothing from thrift stores. So I want to give you a couple tips and tricks that I have discovered over my few years of thrifting. The first one is make sure you have time when you go to a thrift store. You can't be in a hurry. You've got to have time to really look through all of the garments and fabrics. Number two is to sign up for any reward programs that thrift stores have. This will help save you extra cash, and also be conscious of any markdowns that they're doing each week. A lot of thrift stores will do markdowns on, like, yellow tags are half off this week or something like that, and that's a good way to spend or save some additional cash. Also, know your size. Know what size that you wear, what size that you can get away with buying. I always tend to go larger. It's easier to take away more fabric if I'm going to be cutting it up, reusing it for something else. And think outside the box. Look for interesting textiles and laces and things that maybe if you were to buy those types of fabric in the store, they would be super expensive. And you could upcycle them into different ways. Besides clothing, maybe they could be Christmas stockings or pillows or a purse, something like that. So definitely think outside the box. And I tend to go to my thrift stores at least once a month just to see the new things that are coming out. And I normally don't spend more than $5 on an object unless it really just bowls me over. Most of the time I will spend between $2 and $4 on something. But yeah, there's just so many different prints and fabrics and things, and just be conscious. I mean, you don't have to have really advanced sewing skills in order to be able to transform thrifted clothing into something else. But there is so much variety and style and different things that you can use that if you're not into thrifting,